Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you brought your appetites, because we're having a roast!
Now, ladies and gentlemen, introducing Bill Barton. And Trevor Wichner.
Alright, so before we get started, this is Trevor Wichner, graduating 2011.
Yeah, that's where I'm at.
Bill Barton, 5-year graduate of UMD, driving away in a yellow car. We'll miss you dearly. Alright, well, let's get things started.
Let's get it started.
And let's get it started in here.
Oh, what are we doing?
Yeah, leave it on that box. That'll be perfect.
Yeah,
that'll be the podium.
Don't want that heard in the video.
Do it.
Hi, my name's Luke Peterson. Bill might know me from being downstairs from him. Bill, remember that time you were slept above me? I do too. Sometimes I think my dreams floated up to you and got tangled in your sheets.
Look at that reaction.
The only time I've seen Bill with an apple is when he's holding a computer.
That's because he doesn't like fruit or vegetables.
Bill could never beat Amos in anything because Amos has a rat tail. I remember one time Bill was so mad that he acted nice even though we all knew he was angry. Bill was in vocal jazz. What a fag.
It's not funny.
Trevor had long hair for a long time. Trevor must be a long kind of guy. Trevor likes electronic music. What is he, a stupid robot?
What does that even mean? What does that mean?
How much would it cost to buy Bill? Like a penny?
See, that I can understand that.
Trevor is such a drunk that he will drink 100 alcohol, but at least he doesn't have Australia dad. But who does? Not Bill, because it's his stepdad.
I don't entirely understand.
Alright, whose turn is it now?
One more.
Alright.
Trevor has so much weird stuff. One time I was like, Trevor, what's with all the weird stuff? And Trevor was all like, I don't know, what a fag. Thank you.
That was Luke Peterson.
Alright, yeah.
Yay!
Nice, cool.
Right there.
Eat shit.
I once heard Bill had a job at a flower mart. That's kind of gay. Trevor came from a small town called Litchfield. Now he's a college grad moving on to do great things. Back to Litchfield.
I don't like it.
Trevor has
It better be good!
Trevor has long hair. Girls have long hair. What's the difference? I've seen girls with longer hair.
You're ruining it!
I got stuff. I've seen girls with longer penises that don't cry at the end of Babe. Trevor once decided to longboard. Then he fell and became a heifer machine. So he's like dumb electric music. Remember that time we didn't have trash service? The only time the house smelled worse was when Bell left his door open.
That was kind of funny.
People say college gives listen poverty, but Bill's the only guy I know whose idea of a good Friday night is a case of Boxer, a bag of Cheetos, and a roll of quarters.
Ooh.
You know you're in Bill's car when the dash looks like a Las Vegas slot machine. All the emergency lights are lit, and you lose your money when you pull into the station. Living with Bill is always an adventure, from going to the deeps to riding in the car. There was one time when I went to a hotel with Bill. We thought both we had a slim chance of leaving alive, but then we woke up in the same bed.
What? The best. A wise man always knows what to say. Wait, that wasn't Trevor. What a fag.
What? You guys keep bringing it back to this.
I don't know where to go with this one anyways. When I first met Luke, Amos, James, and Kyle, I knew my experience at 2225 Woodland was going to be great. It all started in summer of 2011. One time I saw a big scary spider in my room, and then I thought it was Bill, because he's such a fag.
That's not even funny.
Yeah, well, that's Trevor. He's... One time I saw Bill watching 8-hour Pawn Stars. What is he, Trevor? The only thing gazer than Trevor is Bill watching all seasons of the OC. Really impressed with Bill Barton. He never smokes weed, but he's always got the munchies. Trevor one time had sex with Maggie. Trevor one time had sex with a girl who fisted herself.
You can't do these both in a row. It's not even fair. It's not even fair.
The only difference between Trevor and Dexter...
Whoa!
What?
Nope, this is Amos.
Oh, okay.
The only difference between Trevor and Dexter is that Dexter doesn't pee in my room.
The only difference between Trevor and Dexter is Dexter doesn't pee in my room.
That was last year. You can't even count that.
This is my last one. James hates Trevor. Known fact.
I knew that. I knew that. It's okay. It's okay.
Alright, Amos, you or me?
33.
I'll go for it.
Alright.
Amos, videotape. 33 down. 32.
32? Trevor likes music. What's up with that?
Huh?
Can't explain that.
Trevor wears red sunglasses. What a queer.
They're fucking awesome.
Bill Barton always treats me with care and compassion. Bill Barton reminds me of the Easter Bunny. An okay holiday hero. Bill Barton's still funnier than Kyle McHugh. Bill Barton stole Kyle's heart. Bill, he wants it back. They say Christ saved all of humanity, but did he graduate from UND? No. Oh wait, neither did Bill. Once Trevor asked if I wanted a sandwich. I said no. What am I, a fag? The only thing gayer than Trevor is Bill's yellow car. Ouch. Who does Bill think he is driving around in a yellow car? A lemon or something?
You guys see there? No.
That one pissed him off.
Trevor is a psych major, but he still can't read minds. What a fag.
What?
Bill once grew a mustache. It looked as if he had smeared shit under his nose and then sneezed our crushed graphite. Who was in charge of this one?
Correct grammar.
I never met Trevor's friend Micah at the Rusko concert. Probably because he's imaginary. Just because I may not have friends other than here doesn't mean my other friends are imaginary. You're stupid. I hate you. Trevor and Bill walk into a bar. Bill gets barf freckles and Trevor has sex with Maggie. Who won? The guys at home who didn't have to deal with those fucks.
Well, you know, I brought
back to you guys.
The only thing gayer than Tom is Bill making cum-eating jokes. And he isn't joking.
Oh, what a coward.
At this point, I'd like to thank you guys. I would hate to think you guys think we have nothing but bad things to say.
No, wait. You're saying this wrong. At this point, I would hate to think that you guys think that we have nothing but bad things to say.
Bill, I would present you with a compliment sandwich. An insult, followed by a compliment, then folded by an insult. But I'm afraid you would eat it before I finished. And finally, the only thing gayer than you two guys having sex is the fact that you're leaving.
Wait, there's one final one. Say it.
Aww.
Trevor!
Sitting in a tree. Leaving. Alright, rebuttal time.
Let's go play some foosball.
Alright. Back to something that
Thanks for the
matters.
roast. Honestly, we really appreciate everything you had to say.
Which one is T?
I mean, really, eventually we make it to the roast tonight. I know it's hard for him to get up this early. And then, on a similar note, it was really nice for Kyle to stay up late for this roast. I know.
Oh, it's true.
He does have to be up in a couple hours here.
8.
It's been a really fun year hanging out with you guys. Got to spend some mocking 21st birthdays in Superior. That reminds me of a funny story about the clap. But, this isn't the time for that.
Who's he talking about?
My one regret will be missing Amos's 21st birthday, and, Amos wouldn't have to worry about even getting the clap. And, also,
James is into sharing.
Don't worry.
I'm glad I'm not here. It is over for Johnny to come. This event would have been the same without that feminine touch. Thanks, guys.
Even though they're insults, I enjoyed it.
Well, hey guys, thank you for the roast. It's too bad I have to go back to my hometown to make some money before I can come back up here, but actually, though this is my home away from home, Luke, I was wondering, maybe you would cash a check for me? I could do that. But, I need to get my truck fixed anyways, so if I can't get it fixed, maybe, James, I could borrow your truck? I know it's purple, but beggars can't be choosers, and at the very least, I can wear a bag over my head when I drive it. That's, of course, unless Kyle can rig up some sort of apparatus out of rope to replace my one brake. I know you were a Boy Scout. And Johnny, I know that hemp rope would be a much more effective textile, but seriously, man, pot doesn't grow on trees.
It's funny.
And Amos, I had a hell of a time trying to think of a joke against you, and all I could come up with was, fuck you. Thanks, guys.
Seriously.
We've been great. Let's do it again.
We've been great.
Bow 4 more times.
3 more.
Or get off the stage.
4 more bows. That's 2 more. 1 more. 1 more bow. 1 more bow. 1 more, please. At least.
Okay.
I think it's shot time. I think that's what it requires.
Trevor, walk off stage.
Nonchalantly. More nonchalantly.
Act casual. Be cool. Be cool about it.
Oh.